Welcome to another video. Happy Thanksgiving. We are going to Big Bear. I also got these designer knockoffs on Amazon. Kind of cool. Okay, let's go. I almost died.
You are crazy.
Londonia.
Like Donna London.
So cold. There we go. So I underestimated the cold. I'm wearing little shorts. I should have worn something more, but it's okay. We're on the side of the highway. These crazies are taking pictures over there. Oh my god, I'm dying. Okay, so we made it to... Oh! I didn't even put it on park.
I also want like the
Yeah, he knows Shruha. I taught him Shruha. Yeah. Pishka.
Who's pregnant? We are at Lake Arrowhead.
Hi, this is Brunette Mommy. No.
How cold is it? 52. But it feels like 49. 19 miles an hour.
Wow.
The phone has arrived. Let's go get it. Let's unbox it together. For Instagram. Oh shit. So crazy. Oh, and I almost forgot. This is zoomed out. I got accessories. So we got our clear case and we got a screen protector as well. Now the reason why I like doing this under direct sunlight is because you get to see all of the specks of dust. These are sticker guides. You just want to show you what we do with them. So you basically want to the glass where it needs to be. We're going to remove this. Serve as your guide, so when you're happy with the placement, You're just gonna stick these down, this. That first. And you have to do this quickly because you want to make sure there aren't any dust particles that land on this side. And just want to make sure you're pressing it all the way. It's making adhesion. And there you have it. Ready to go. Now you just take these guys off. We are going to turn it on for the first time. There we go. Hello, hello. Oh, and then before anything else, I got all of these accessories off of Amazon. I will link them below. They're super inexpensive, but they've been my go-tos forever. And the great thing about the screen protector is that it brings a few of them in there. If you mess up the first one, you're good. Alright, so this guy, I like that it has protection both on the front and the bottom, so when the phone, if the phone lands face forward, it doesn't hit the screen directly. Follow the instructions. It says my phone has been blocked from transfer. Please call. Yeah, you see, unable. Okay, let's call T-Mobile and I will be right back. Okay, it is the next day. We finally got our iPhone activated, finally works, and this is honestly so much faster than my 12 Pro Max. The camera is insane. I forgot it had macro. Even from my car, I can take pictures of like the leaves on the trees. So I highly recommend it. It's gorgeous. Well, we need coffee. So let's go to Alfred's. I look crazy with these on. Probably look like a douche, but life is a fashion show. Let's go. We are out. This phone is amazing. The colors are great. And the audio, I don't think it picks up from the AirPod, but it sounds super clear. So we might replace the cameras with this because it's still pretty wide angle. I don't know. I still love my cameras, so. But this is great. I just kept walking. We are walking down Santa Monica. So just gonna grab a Starbucks because I saw I had some money in there. So we're like, let's grab Starbucks instead and get our walk in. But so far so good. Okay, so this phone won me over. The camera is insane. The stabilization is insane. I love it. The only thing is that it gets a little bit overexposed. There it is. I mean, you can't have it all. But yeah, 10 out of 10. Final thoughts on this guy before we end the vlog. I've had it for 24 hours. It is so fast. The dynamic island is really cool depending on, you know, what app you're on. If you have music playing and you exit right there, and then you can click to open it up. The camera is insane. The 0.3 option I love. And if you get really close, you can do macro. So you can see like the little hairs on my eyebrow. The screen, the colors are beautiful. If you can get it, I recommend upgrading. 10 out of 10 so far. Battery is great. I haven't charged it since I got it. The only bump in the road was getting it unlocked, but I think that was more of a T-Mobile thing, not an Apple thing. But when I woke up this morning, it said ready to activate. So yeah, definitely recommend the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye. Love you, mean it.